Sirikand County ma Kisumu odiochieng' ma kawuono opogo gige thieth kata medical equipment mabende nengogi nyalo romo $15,000 ma ibiro tigodo e konyo ting'o malo ngima makare ne mine ma okonyore ute thieth mago eko mag kor gwenge kata mag sub counties. Koloso e kindeno ero, gavana ma county ma Kisumu Ngire Anyang' Nyong'o olero ni equipments ma kamago eko county oyudo kokalo kuom omenda mabende nogol kata nochiwnegi kod World Bank mabende oyango kaka Transforming Health System Universal Care Project. Omedo wacho ni gige thieth makamago eko biro konyo mine mabende konyore kata manyuole ute thieth mago eko mag kor gwenge. Oloso e kar thieth mano ero ma Kisumu County Hospital kuma bende opako ahinya okengego eko mag dongruoge mabende od thiethno ero osegoyo.
800,000 people in Kisumu City. 300,000 go back to sleep elsewhere because it is a trading city. 500,000 people stay here. That's a number of people you cannot ignore in service delivery. I want to debunk this misplaced theory today and tell you the truth that we are more robust in the sub-counties. There's a lot of work going on there, especially on health, infrastructure, water provision, and agriculture. Very soon, I will be opening these projects, especially in water provision, so that those who can see will see, those who can hear will hear, those who can think will think. For example, we are right now constructing operating theaters in Gita Sub-County Hospital in Kisumu East, and Chulaimba Sub-County Hospital in Kisumu West, and Seme Sub-County Hospital in Seme, and Seme Sub-County Hospital in Kombewa. The projects are almost complete, and we shall open them before we go to the elections. These should be equipped and opened this financial year. In Nyakach, the construction of a maternity wing, complete with an operating theater, is to start soon. The contracts have been awarded and the site handover will be done in 2 weeks. As we aim to prevent maternal mortality in keeping with Sustainable Development Goal number 3, the importance of safe delivery cannot be underestimated. Currently, 87.5% of the women of reproductive age in Kisumu deliver in health facilities.